when she loved me. I'm not gonna teach you how to play the ukulele, but I will teach you how you can turn your background from this to this, or this. How about this? Or this? Or this? Hi there, it's me, Teacher Jelly, ang inyong teacherelang lingkod. In this video, I will share with you everything you need to know from shooting to editing. Show me some love by hitting the subscribe button and by liking this video. I've been using green screen for months now, and a lot of you have been requesting for this tutorial video. So here we go! And since I can't afford a fancy green screen setup, we're gonna DIY. Let's start with the materials that we'll need. Of course, you need a green cloth. This specific fabric that I'm using is called Gina, if you're familiar with that. This fabric is thin and cheap. I think you can avail this for 30 pesos per yard. That's the cheapest. Perhaps the most expensive that you can get is 50 pesos per yard. But for me, that's already overpriced for this kind of fabric. So wag kayo magpapaloko, guys.
Lagi na lang kayo ganyan eh.
Another option is green cartolina, like this one. Okay? I don't think you can see it, so let me remove my effects. Kasi nagbe-blend in din siya sa background, kasi green din siya. If you don't have a fabric store near your area, you can opt to buy green cartolina instead. What's good about using a green cartolina is it's gonna give you a really nice backdrop. No folds. No folds means no unnecessary shadows. Because when I'm using my green cloth, it's not fully stretched most of the time. Sometimes it will have folds and it doesn't look good on my videos. Of course, the lighting plays a vital role in shooting your videos, but we'll get back to that later. Next is we're gonna need an adhesive. What we'll be using is this Blue Tack Smart adhesive. Actually, I have two variants. They have this original Blue Tack Smart adhesive, and now they already have this colorful Blue Tack. Alam niyo, mukha siyang chubby. Ano yung chubby? So, just want to show you how it looks like inside. Sigurado ako nakagamit na kayo ng ganito dahil ginagamit natin to pandikit ng ating mga instructional materials sa ating mga board, diba? So, this is how it looks like. You can cut it into pieces. Kung gaano mo siya kalaki gusto... Ay, amoy ano siya? Parang amoy candy.
Gutom ka, ma'am.
So, this is how the original looks like. It's like grayish blue. Eh, ito na yung ano. Cute nito. Oh, di ba? Yeah, so, meron siyang 5 colors. And it says here in the packaging that it can also hold down phones, clean keyboards, hold screws to screwdriver, holds up posters. Yan, ito yung gagamitin natin mamaya to put up our cartolina green screen. So we're gonna see how far a teeny, tiny Blue Tack can go. We will see if it can hold our green screen cartolina. Next is this screw nail hook. I'm not really sure how this is called. If you know what this is called, please write it on the comment section below. Hindi ko mabibigyan yung exact name itong small powerful thing na ito, but this is how it looks like, and I will show you how it's holding up my green screen cloth. By the way, I really suggest that you get a yellow green or dark green shade for your backdrop, because if you're gonna get a super light kind of green, you're gonna have a problem whenever you're already in the editing phase. So please take note. And of course, the last one is our lighting. So what do I use? As you know, I'm only using a small ring light over here. If you have not watched my video about the essential devices and equipment that you need for your online class, here's the video card up here, and I'm also going to be linking it in my description box. Aside from this ring light, I also have a desk lamp that I bought for only 150 pesos. So what's the importance of having two sources of light? Having two sources of light on both sides will reduce or eliminate the appearance of shadows. Imagine if I only have one source of light over here, there's gonna be a shadow on this part, and vice versa. Now let me show you how to put up your DIY green screen. That's me. Okay, so what we're gonna use is this colorful blue tack. Dahil maarte tayo, i-prepare natin ang kulay ng ating natin itong green. Yeah! Alam mo, nakakahinayang ito gamitin kasi ang cute niya. O, diba? Ang ingay sa labas. So, ayan. Ganatan lang natin siyang ganyan. And then, kakat natin siya. Like that. Maliit lang. Okay, now we're gonna prepare our green cartolina. Let's get our blue tack. Now we're done putting the blue tack on all four sides. And in case you want a bigger backdrop, you just have to add one more cartolina, or kung gaano nyo kalaki gusto. This one is only 8 pesos. Ta-da! Okay, the first step is to put this hook. What I did was, nilagay ko dun sa tatlo. 1, 2, and then 3. Iniikot-ikot ko lang siya dun sa kahoy since unfinished pa yung aking ceiling. Yung ganitong tela, binutasan ko lang yung dulo. Yan, kung saan ko sinuot yung there. Ta-da! Backdrop check. Time to shoot. We are done shooting our video. Now on to the post-production or the editing part. What I'm using is this Wondershare Filmora 9. By the way, this is not sponsored, but I just want to share how I love using this because it's so easy to navigate. But this is not free. Well, you can use the trial version, but there will be a Filmora watermark on your video that wouldn't look good. The account that I used before wasn't mine. May nagpahiram lang sa akin. But ever since I bought a new computer set, I decided to purchase my own. So as mentioned, Filmora po is not free. It has a subscription fee, and you can choose if you want to pay monthly, annually, or lifetime payment. Yes, may forever sila, girl. What I chose was the annual subscription because I edit videos frequently and I really think it's a good investment. I paid 2,000 for 1 year. So if you're gonna compute that, you're only paying 167 pesos per month. So what's up, Filmora? Upon opening Filmora, this is the interface that you're gonna see. To add the videos that we want to edit, click Import. Select your video or videos. And it's gonna appear right here on your media tab. Next, import your background. It could be a picture, it could be a video. By the way, here's a very important thing that you need to know. Over here, you're gonna see tracks. This track is for video and photos.
This one is for audio, you know, music and sound effects. Let's start adding the background. Please remember that you should put your video above the background. Again, your video should be above your background. Now, I want you to click your video and click this green screen icon. There, you're gonna see some options, but I want you to check this chroma key. And boom! But we still gotta do some adjustments, so simply adjust the offset and tolerance if you need to. As you can see, my installation overhead can still be seen, so let's crop the video a little bit and do some resizing. Let's add some music, baby. I have here a selection of free music here at Filmora. Now cut your first background, then import your second background and add it to the track. I want to add a sound effect. And then we're just going to repeat the process. If you're happy with your work, save it and export. Congratulations!
And that's it. That's what I do. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial. If you have other questions or requests, topic suggestions, feel free to write that in the comment section below. I always read your comments, just so you know. I'll see you again, syempre! Bye-bye! Write a thesis statement. Thesis statement is very important when writing an essay, and you simply have to follow this super easy formula. Topic plus claim plus 3 points. For example, Marvin Fojas is the best TikTok comedian, for he makes relatable videos, creates funny pickup lines, and publishes quality contents. It's your turn!